Hello kids! Today, we're going to study pronouns. Okay? Let us define first what is pronoun. Pronoun. Pronouns are words that take the place of nouns, and they are called noun substitutes. Going back, let us review what is noun. Nouns are naming words, and they can be a name of a person, place, animals, and things. So again, pronouns are the ones replacing the nouns. Instead of using a specific name, we're going to use pronouns. For example, the words I, we, he, she, it, and they are pronouns. They are called subject pronouns. They are used as the subjects of sentences. Let's have some examples. Are you ready? Okay. For example, number 1. I study my lessons every day. Can you identify the subject pronoun used in the sentence? Correct. I is used as a pronoun in the sentence. Instead of using a name of a person, it was replaced by a pronoun I. For example, number 2. He helps father feed the chicken. Where is the subject pronoun used in the sentence? Correct. He is used as a pronoun in the sentence. Instead of using again a name of a person, it was replaced by a pronoun he. For example, number 3. They clean the house together. Where is the subject pronoun used in the sentence? Correct. They. They is used as a pronoun in the sentence. You're doing good, kids. Just remember that pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. Instead of using a name of a person, place, animal, and things, we use pronouns like I, we, he, she, it, and they. Are you ready for the next activity? Okay, let's learn together. For our activity, you're going to complete the sentences with the correct subject pronouns for the underlined nouns. So we are going to choose a pronoun that replaces the underlined noun in each sentence. But don't worry, because you're going to choose the correct answer from the box below. Number 1. Mother cooks my favorite viand. Blanc can be the best cook in town. What do you think is the correct subject pronoun to be used in the sentence? The correct answer is she. Mother cooks my favorite viand. She can be the best cook in town. She. Let's try another one. Number 2. Lulu and Jude are my siblings. Blanc help me water the plants in the garden. What do you think is the correct subject pronoun to be used in the sentence? Correct. They. Lulu and Jude are my siblings. They help me water the plants in the garden. You're doing great. Let's have another example. Number 3. Mom Peter put some grains in the container. Blanc will feed the chicken in a little while. What do you think is the correct subject pronoun to be used in the sentence? The correct answer is he. Mom Peter put some grains in a container. He will feed the chicken in a little while. Number 4. My parents and I will sell some fruits in the market. Blank need to prepare 10 baskets. What do you think is the correct subject pronoun to be used in the sentence? Correct. We. My parents and I will sell some fruits in the market. We need to prepare 10 baskets. You're doing good, kids. Let's have our last number. Number 5. My name is Naomi. Blank, I'm the youngest girl in the neighborhood. What do you think is the correct subject pronoun? The correct answer is I. My name is Naomi. I am the youngest girl in the neighborhood. You all get a perfect score? Good job, kids! And that's how pronouns were introduced in a sentence. I hope you understand what a pronoun is and how to use it in a sentence. Thanks for watching! Hope you learned something, kids! Bye-bye!